Hello, I'm Martin Jago, authorized financial advisor and founder of Fusion Investing. 30 years in the investment industry has taught me two important lessons which could change your investment outcome. First, fund managers make poor investment decisions as well as good ones, and yesterday's winners are often tomorrow's also-rans. Second, individual outcomes often lag the investment industry itself due to poor investor behavior. This double whammy of human errors could cost you tens, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. And that's why I came up with the Fusion Advantage. It's a smarter, stronger, and safer approach to investing, and it virtually eliminates these two big risks. How does it work? Well, every investor knows you mustn't put all your eggs in one basket. But Fusion Investing takes that to a whole new level. We call it the multi-manager strategy. We stopped using individual managers and styles, like you find in most portfolios, pensions, and most KiwiSaver schemes, because results were so random. It had nothing to do with the markets. They're the same for everyone. It's the actions and thoughts of the personnel and experts involved. And when those experts change, it adds further uncertainty. Instead, we use a number of New Zealand's best managers side by side and simultaneously, so random outcomes are replaced by reliability, with little chance of underperformance. Multiple fund managers give us diversification across philosophies, styles and techniques, not just stocks, properties and bonds like you find with individual managers. This separates Fusion Investing from the rest of the industry. Each manager's investment approach is different, so no opportunities are missed, and if one or two don't perform, they're balanced by good results in the others. And because our investors see this as a smarter approach, they change their behavior to a buy and hold strategy, which overseas studies show improves results by up to 2% per year over time, which can be huge. If this sounds like an investment approach you'd like to take, visit this website. There's a calculator which gives you the dollar value of your Fusion Advantage on the KiwiSaver page. The figures can be surprising. Fusion Investing, smarter, stronger and safer.